Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can easily sell your bitcoins using Skrill wallet. Skrill wallet is one of the best current wallets in which you can not only trade cryptos, but you have a card which is linked to your account. You can have different balances in different currencies as you can see, and of course you can trade. If you do not have account, please click in the link in the description and register. Of course, you must be verified, and in your country, trading must be allowed. So when your account is verified, you can see this trade button from the left, and then go click crypto and market data. Here you can see all available cryptocurrencies in Skrill, and for this video I will show you how to sell Bitcoin. So click on trade, and here you can see the Bitcoin price with the time, and click on sell, instant sell, and I will sell maybe less than this, around 25 BGN. So when I click this button, I will exchange this amount of bitcoins with the current rate, and will receive this in my balance. Click confirm, and voila, transaction is successful. That was all. So this is so easy, and of course when you buy in a dip and sell when the price is higher, you will gain money, but in other scenarios like me, you will lose. So this is very dangerous operation to trade with crypto, so be cautious. And if you want to trade, Skrill wallet is a very good choice. Of course, they provide mobile application which is very good looking, and you can trade from your phone, of course. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.